bigger, grow better. We have seen the wellness industry along with regenerative tourism and homestays side by side with 5-star hotels and cultural tourism and making stays a very attractive destination. We have also seen the large number of industrial estates, 23 industrial estates, attracting investment and creating jobs in Goa. At the same time, today there is a large opportunity to co-develop, co-design and co-produce in Goa between international investors, industries and businesses from other parts of India and businesses in Goa. In fact, it has recently been adjudged the best wedding destination in India. It's also a great destination for holding exhibitions, seminars, meetings, and this conferences. There's tremendous potential to bring businesses to Goa and along with that also have a wonderful tourism and cultural experience. I'm very confident that going forward, working together, both the central government and the government of Goa will create an additional framework in which high-tech industries come to Goa in a big way, in which we are able to develop Goa as the preferred destination for data centers, for developing and designing high-quality semiconductor chips, for producing high-quality electronics and automobile products, pharmaceuticals, making Goa a global hub for technology-driven, eco-friendly products to be produced in Goa. We are also looking at setting up a mini Silicon Valley or a mini center for global capacity sectors to come to Goa and coupled with adequate data center storage capacity and infrastructure for quality of life, high quality of life, ease of living. I am confident that in the years ahead, amazing Goa will become a business center which the world will envy. My best wishes to the organizers of this wonderful Business Expo and Summit. I compliment the Vibrant Goa Foundation, ably led by Mr. Suresh Prabhu, who have organized this event in collaboration with the government of Goa, and my compliments to Honorable Chief Minister, Honorable Industries Minister for the wonderful work they are doing. I can assure you, sir, we are ready and stand by to support you in every possible way. I would have very much liked to be amongst all of you. I think all my friends in Goa know how much I love Goa, how much I love to be in Goa. I find the smallest excuse to be in Goa, but today I had some election-related programs in Mumbai and was not able to join you there today, but certainly at the earliest next opportunity, I will be there to discuss with the Chief Minister and work towards making Goa the owner's pride and neighbor's envy. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, and best wishes for the summit. Namaskar.
Thank you so much, Piyush Goyal, sir, for joining us. The Honorable Union Minister of Commerce and Industry, sir, said he loves Goa, and I think after this speech, all of us love him even more. Definitely. Thank you so much, sir, for sharing your valuable time and sharing the information. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to resume Goa Seva Card by Visa. Ladies and gentlemen, we are thrilled to introduce the Goa Seva Card, a transformative initiative designed to empower Goans with seamless, modern financial services. The Goa Seva Card not only facilitates secure transactions, but also comes preloaded with hospi cash, providing courage and coverage of hospital expenses of up to 50,000 per year. This exclusive benefit is tailored to support local residents and merchants, fostering economic growth and ensuring financial security within the state. Through this initiative and innovative card, we aim to provide a convenient solution for everyday transactions while supporting Goa's vision for a digitally inclusive future. To take this event forward, may I please call upon Goa Seva Card is brought to you by Ziva Fintech Private Limited, and I would like to call upon the representative. Please give a warm welcome to Ritu Soni, CEO of Ziva, on stage. Welcome, Ritu ma'am. We would like you to say a few words.
Welcome to Goa. Welcome to Goa, where every corner tells a story, and every moment feeds every corner tells a story. And now with the Goa Seva Card, each day becomes brighter and more rewarding. Designed for Goan residents, this all-in-one prepaid card offers special discounts at local stores, from pharmacies and diagnostics to groceries and restaurants. Every card comes preloaded with assured hospital insurance coverage of up to ₹50,000 annually. Using our mobile app, easily top up your card, track spending and discover low.
Good afternoon, everyone. Honorable Chief Minister, Dr. Goan Saa, Honorable Minister, Shri Mobin, Honorable Shri Suresh Prabhu, and our wonderful, esteemed audience. I am honored to be here today. At amazing Goa to introduce something very special, the Goa Seva Card. What makes Goa truly unique is its wonderful community celebrates. The Goa Seva Card is designed with one simple goal: to help both Goan families and local businesses grow stronger together. Think of it as a healthy symbiotic ecosystem. On one side, Goan consumers will receive discounts and health services. And on the other side, the local merchants will get access to higher footfall, trade finance, and even store insurance. So every time someone uses this card at a local store, it creates a chain of benefits across this ecosystem. We are grateful to have signed an MOU with the Honorable Goan government and are working closely with them to drive their mission to improve prosperity across the state of Goa.
Requesting Ritu ma'am to kindly hand over the card and do the launch along with the Honorable Chief Minister. Joining us on stage, Mr. Rishi Chavla, Council Manager, India Visa, Ms. Ritu Soni, CEO, Seva, Fintech Private Limited, India, Mr. Vijay Saxena, Director, Statistics and Planning, Government of Goa, along with Honorable Chief Minister Pramod Sawant, sir. Thank you so much, team. So that was the launch of Goa Seva Card by Visa. We are also happy to announce the Amazing Goa Global Business Summit Vision document today. May I please request Honorable Chief Minister Pramod Sawant sir to join it by Mangal Analytics and Research Consultancy, and from the organization I am requesting Smriti Bhattacharya and Satish Shinde to join us on stage and do the unveiling. Let's give a huge round of applause as we unveil the vision document for Global Business Summit. Inviting Mr. Ashutosh Harangade to join us on stage. Smriti is here with us. Smriti Bhattacharya, Satish Shinde. Once again, let me tell you, this document is collated and researched by Mangal Analytics and Research Consultancy. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Smriti and Satish. Alright, everyone, it's time now for the moment most of us have been waiting. Present with us today, he is very, very supportive to his entire team, and of course the most loved Chief Minister. Please give a huge round of applause in welcoming our Chief Guest and Chief Minister, Dr. Pramod Sawant, the Honorable Chief Minister of Goa. Welcome, sir.
Good afternoon, friends. Namaste. Amazing Goa, the Global Goa Business Summit 2024, organized by Vibrant Goa. Founder Chairman of the Vibrant Goa Foundation, Mr. Dignitary, the Chief Mentor of the Vibrant Goa Foundation, Dr. Jagat Shah, the President of GCCI, Sri Srinivas Dempo, the Chairman of Board of Advisors and ex-Union Minister, Sri Suresh Prabhu, esteemed international delegates, the Captain of Industries, the business persons from India and abroad, the student buddies, the trustees of the Vibrant Goa Foundation, ladies and gentlemen. As we say in our Konkani language, Tumka sagyang may mogacho yokar. I extend a warm welcome to all of you. I especially welcome to the international delegates. It is both an honor and privilege to stand before you today at the inauguration of Amazing Goa Global Business Summit 2024. This summit is a powerful platform to showcase the boundless potential of the Goa and to foster an environment that welcomes innovation, collaboration and investment. Our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi's vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat, a self-reliant India, and Vikasit Bharat 2047, a roadmap for a developed India, and are our guiding lights. We are determined to see the Goa contribute significantly to his vision by building a dynamic economy and a sustainable future. Goa, a vibrant investment destination. Goa has always been known as a natural beauty, a rich cultural heritage and unparalleled hospitality. But today, we are here to unveil the new Goa, one that is ready to embrace the future, one that stands as a vibrant investment destination. We are moving beyond the tourism to make Goa a thriving hub for emerging industry that will highlight the Goa on a global map. Exploring avenues for the sustainable growth. The first one is in renewable energy. With the world's urgent need to address the climate change, Goa aims to lead in a renewable energy adoption. We envisage the Goa as a pioneer in harnessing solar, wind and bioenergy. Our government is focused on the policies that incentivize clean energy projects, inviting the investors to partner in our journey to become the green energy state. Second is in blue economy. Goa is blessed with the mesmerizing coastline, the rich inland waterways and abundant seafood bounty. I call upon the desiring investors to explore the immense potential in this sector, made in terms of the seaweed farming or enhanced at the sustainable pisciculture. Third one is the food processing. It is going to be an endeavor of my government to lay a great emphasis on a food processing unit and also promoting to setting up of food parks in the state. Third, for the information technology and cyber security. We recognize the importance of data security and cyber resilience. With the increasing global cyber threat, Goa offers the conducive environment for cyber security research and services, which not only the protect but also empower the businesses to grow securely. The blockchain and artificial intelligence. The blockchain technology holds the potential to transform industries from the finance and logistics to healthcare. We are working on making a Goa a preferred destination for blockchain-based companies, fostering innovation and easing the path for startups to experiment and grow here. Similarly, the artificial intelligence is revolutionizing multiple sectors by establishing R&D centers and innovation labs, and we aim to integrate AI into the governance, healthcare and smart city solutions. Healthcare and wellness. Goa is naturally situated to become a wellness and healthcare destination. With our pristine environment, we can promote both the traditional Ayurveda and modern healthcare facilities. Education. Our youth are the cornerstone of our developed Goa and India. We are working to transform Goa into the center of academic excellence, where the world-class educational institutions and skill development centers can prepare the next generation for future challenges. It has been my constant endeavor to give up the top priority for skilling, reskilling and upskilling. The sports and miles. Goa is rapidly emerging as a vibrant destination for the national and international sporting event, as well as destination for the wedding, meetings and conventions. A vision aligned with Atmanirbhar Bharat. To truly achieve the Atmanirbhar Bharat, we must build an ecosystem that enables the self-reliance while inviting the international collaboration. Goa is fully committed to establish the business-friendly environment by implementing policies that simplify process, offering incentives and ensuring that the ease of doing a business remains a top priority. The government is committed to creating the balanced development path, one that empowers the growth while preserve our environment and culture. We are actively engaged in building a partnership with national and international stakeholders to drive this vision forward. An invitation to invest in the Goa's future. Today, I invite one of you to envisage the Goa not just as a tourist destination, but as a promising partner in your business journey. Together, let us leverage our strength, our strategies, location, and our talented youth to propel Goa into the global stage. With the strong backing of our Government of India and futuristic vision of our Government of Goa, we boast the 4-lane highway, 2 world-class airports, the railways, and as well as the port connectivity. We have one of the best solid waste management plants in the country, combined with the strong network of STP, ATPs, biomedical waste and hazardous waste treatment facilities actively monitored by our State Pollution Control Board. This infrastructure is the key to harnessing the Goa's optimum potential as a vibrant economic hub. Let us work together to build Goa that exemplifies the sustainability, innovation and prosperity, thereby contributing to realizing the vision of Vikasit Bharat 2047. Once again, welcome you to all for the amazing Goa Global Business Summit 2024. Jai Hind, Jai Goa.
Thank you so much, Honorable Chief Minister, sir, for sharing your thoughts about amazing Goa and the plans and the vision that you have to develop Goa even further. It's time now we would like to present the token of appreciation to our dignitaries. First up, may I please call upon Mr. Suresh Prabhu to felicitate and provide a token of appreciation to Chief Minister Pramod Sawant, sir. Requesting Suresh Prabhu, sir. Alright, Vinay Verma, sir, is doing the honors. We are presenting the token of appreciation to Honorable Chief Minister Pramod Sawant, sir. Up next, we are pleased invite Jagat Shah, sir.